everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, and I wanted to show our February sale home here. I found it out on the lot. This home is special because it's a 16 by 76, but it includes a little porch. If you check out my thumbnail print on the video here, you'll see the outside of it. So this is perfect for a lake. If you're coming in off the porch through this main door here, you've got a nice wide open area. Here's the kitchen. We did the staggered cabinets there. Looks like an appliance package as well. Microwave over the range, dishwasher. Customer added a farmhouse sink. I love these two windows over the sink. So imagine if this was facing the lake and you're washing your dishes, you can easily see right out the window. Turn it around. We've got it wide open to the living room. Added some window cove up above the windows. Wouldn't be a bad idea maybe to enlarge that window. Coming down the hallway, there's some really cool stuff back here. Here's the second bedroom. Bedroom 3. And the utility room is right here. Let me open this door. Right here. So you have to go through the utility room to get to the second bath. And I love how this customer added the 019 over the commode linen. I think that's a great idea. And then there'll be a washer dryer in this area. They added the cabinets over that. Furnace and water heater right beside each other. So really no wasted space in here. Now here's the cool thing that I found. Coming into the master bedroom, and I just love this feature. I think more people should do it. Skirt and shirt racks. So we've got double racks there. Nice big walk-in closet. A lot of times you'll find that water heater back here in the master closet, so I was happy to see it in the hallway there. And this home is showcasing the primary bath option, which puts dual sink, dual mirrors, dual 3-bulb light strips, again with the over the commode. But look here. We did what we call an agile shower, so let me get closer. That's a fiberglass material with a marbly look and barn-style hardware at the top. So if this wasn't all taped up, it would have a very smooth transition. If you've ever been in an older mobile home, sometimes those doors can get wobbly, but not in this case. I'm gonna go back to the beginning of the home. I just wanna do another walkthrough because I want you to see how wide open this is. So this is a brand new floor plan for us this year. It's called the Headlee, currently on sale on the main sale page. I'm the Mobile Home Mama. Thanks for watching.